These guys are your secret weapon. They can save you a whole lot of time, work, effort, stress, but you need to support them in return. Let me know in the comments if you know what beneficial insects are living in your garden and what you do to support them. So with everything in your garden's ecosystem, balance is important. As much as some insects feed primarily on plants, they only become a problem when their population size gets out of control and kind of outgrows the predators that are in the garden. The same with the wildlife who visit your garden. Birds can become an issue pecking at your fruit or veg even in your veg patch, but they also manage the insects if left unchecked and cause problems later on. There's no good or bad, there's just balance and support. So which creatures are here to help and how can you support them? So there's three main types of beneficial creature that can have a role in your garden. So we've got pollinators, so like bees, hoverflies, butterflies, wasps. Birds are also good pollinators, and a few unsuspecting mammals are as well. Natural predators, as we were talking about just now, so like ladybirds and lacewings and their larvae. Then we've got birds and small mammals. So you get like mice and things that would sit there and they would eat slugs, snails, wormless earthworms, things like that. They are also natural predators. The third one is the feeding organisms, if you like. So these are the soil-borne organisms. They process the organic matter in the soil and release the nutrients to feed your plants. These are like ground beetles and woodlice, earwigs, even earthworms, slugs and snails. They do the same thing as well. They process organic matter and release nutrients for your plants to take up. So they do this quite well. So they have got a use. They're not just there being slimy and eating your plants. They do actually have a use. So we're saying about balance and support. This also includes as well fungi and bacteria. There's quite a lot of fungi in the soil and bacteria in the soil that does have a big part to play in the decomposing and the breaking down of organic matter to then activate and release the nutrients for your plants ready to take up. Because at certain stages of organic matter, they're not accessible for the plants. They won't be able to take it up. It will sit there benign without the activation from the fungi or the bacteria. They can't get to it. These guys are your secret weapon. They can save you a whole lot of time, work, effort, stress, but you need to support them in return.